Understanding, submit a proposal, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in professional and academic contexts: submit a proposal. This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and is very important in many scenarios. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. Submit a proposal is a phrase composed of two key parts: submit and a proposal. Submit is a verb that means to formally send or present something for consideration or judgment. A proposal is a noun that refers to a plan or suggestion, especially a formal or written one, put forward for consideration or discussion by others. When combined, these words form a phrase used in business, academics, and various professional fields. It generally means presenting a plan, idea, or suggestion to someone in authority or a group for consideration or approval. This phrase is commonly used in several contexts. 1. In business, you might submit a proposal for a new project, a business plan, or a budget plan to your manager or team. 2. In academia, students or researchers submit proposals for their thesis, research projects, or to get approval for a study. 3. In government or public works, companies submit proposals to undertake a particular project, like building infrastructure or providing services. Tips for submitting a proposal. Be clear and concise. Your proposal should be straightforward and easily understandable. Detail-oriented. Make sure to include all necessary details and explanations. Formal tone. Use a professional and formal tone as it's usually a formal process. I need to submit a proposal for the new marketing strategy by next week. The research team is preparing to submit a proposal for funding their project. Our company will submit a proposal for the government contract next month. And that's a wrap on Submit a Proposal. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning but also the context in which this phrase is used. Remember, mastering such phrases can significantly improve your professional and academic communication skills in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.